All right, guys, Mongo here. I just want to give you a quick update on Bitcoin. So I'm waiting for this to kind of break this falling channel. Last night we fell pretty hard. Typical, if you guys are new to crypto, this is normal. It's actually very bullish. You have a very steep falling channel. It usually breaks out very bullishly. I'm waiting to see if we can break out and then hold outside this channel. We have an inverted head and shoulders currently. We delete this fib here for you. I'm waiting to see if this can hold. We're still very bearish overall. If we don't hold these levels, I'm looking down towards like 61, which really in the grand scheme of things isn't that far away from right now. We're currently bouncing, and hopefully this continues. I'd like to see it bounce up and kind of consolidate sideways, then move higher. But, you know, if you were like me, instead of shorting it last night, you try to keep long in this thing, kept getting stopped out. You wasted a bunch of money just on stop out fees. So from today's price, or from right now to about 61, you're another 3 to 4% dip. So not the end of the world. I'm looking for more or less a capitulation. We may not have it. I will look at like a quick wick down and then a quick wick up will be the easiest method, and then boom. So keep in mind also the ETFs were selling yesterday. So it's the first time in about a month we've had ETF outflows. That's where we are locally. This is the 1 minute. For those of you that know me, I like to scalp on the 1 minute, but I also like to look at the bigger time frame. So let's back out to the 4 hour. Get an idea here on the 4 hour. Get off a log. So we are below. Let's pull a fib from here. Just to give you an idea. We're below a lot of stuff here. All right, so the 62 mark comes in at the 50 on the fib. We could have a 618 down here at 59. So a lot of conjecture on where we'd stop. A lot of times you'll probably just come out and take these wicks, which so like just under like 61 would knock all of these out and be a nice quick bounce. That's usually what I've seen on these bigger dips controlled by whales. But he's already been mitigated here by this guy. So really you want to attack this wick sitting at 61,350. So I'm actually going to put a marker there. Let's do that now on stream. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. And I'll put an alarm. If you do once per minute, it's going to harass the heck out of you. That's what I want. So otherwise, do like once per bar close or just once. Otherwise, you'll have like me and have 30 different notifications in like a 2 minute period of time. So I want to put big level. Long question mark, because you don't want to put a limit there because you don't know if it's going to stop. If it keeps going, you're screwed. But if you do like to do that, do a lower leverage long, like 20% for me versus 100%, and then put like a 20% buffered stop loss just to cover your butt. So that's what I call fishing. So down to the 1 hour now. We have a bull div on the 1 hour up, so I think we bounce relatively soon, whether it's a flash crash then bounce or we kind of just meander and move up. This is looking more bullish than bearish, and really it's going to dictate this is going to be basically the ETF. So the ETF selling, or are they going to buy? So they may buy the dip. I don't know. So let's see what happens. I will update you guys later this afternoon. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me over at Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blackwall Discord. Thanks.